Hi, so let's learn how to install WordPress. First, what is WordPress? WordPress is a popular CMS used to create or manage your websites. It can be used to create a business website, online stores, build blogs, and it can also help you create different themes and plugins according to your requirements. Next, what are the prerequisites for installing WordPress? The first most thing you will need is a hosting platform, and second is domain. Hostings can be bought from different websites that offer this service, like Bluehost, HostGator. There are many more as well. And similarly, domains can also be bought from these sites, or you can purchase them from GoDaddy that offer them somewhat cheaper rate. The second step will be you will be connecting the domain with the hosting. After connecting domain with the hosting, they will be added here in the cPanels that will be provided to you from hosting platform. You can see there are different domains like gomedia.co, growbrandme.ca. These all domains are connected to this cPanel or hosting, you can say. After the domain is connected, you will have to go to the WordPress option manager. It is shown here, or sometimes it's shown on the front end of your account of the hosting. After clicking on it, it will show you different installations that are instances that are already there. You click on install. Choose the domain you want. For example, I will be choosing maxobiz.works, and this will be connected with I'm just creating a subdirectory of it with the staging site 5. I will then input the detail of it, like name, the site description, admin. You can use admin or any other username you want. You will have to remember this password. You can also input the admin email. Let's keep this at max, so like @123.4. So this will be our username and password, and we will just click on install. Let's see, it says your password must be greater than like 80. So Maxobiz, let's use it. Copy it so that we can use it later. You can select plugins you want for later use. I don't want this. This is a good one. Login and it helps you secure your website. Then you can also, I don't need these, and just click on install. This is installing your website. Your website is installed right now, so you can see this is your administrator URL. You can use it to access the administrative panel for WordPress. This is your admin area. You can add users here. Like this is our current user. You can click on add user and assign them different posts like subscriber, manager, editor, or like administrator role. You can also install different types of plugins you want from here.